Hi, I'm Greg with A&A Manufacturing. Today we'll be discussing blowing out cleaning headlines on a remodeled pool as well as a brand new swimming pool. So the first things we need to do to get started are 1, make sure the heads are out of the pool. 2, make sure our water flow is all directed into the water valve at the pool equipment. And 3, make sure the pressure test ring that comes inside the new water valve has been removed. Be sure to remove the pressure test ring located in the bottom of all new water valves. The reason we replace the highest flowing cleaning head first is to gradually build up pressure on that zone, removing as much debris as possible from the lines. Continue on this step for the rest of the swimming pool zones. When you've added one cleaning head to each of the zones in the swimming pool and you've gotten back to the original one you started at, go ahead and replace the next highest flowing cleaning head and continue this process around the pool until you're left with just one opening on every zone. With one cleaning head left to install on each of the zones, it's best to turn off the pump before installing the rest of the cleaning heads. With all the heads replaced, go ahead and brush any debris that may have come out of the lines down towards the drain. Thanks for watching our video. Sure hope it was beneficial for you. Please comment below on videos you'd like to see us make in the future.